Now it is math class. We'll solve linear equations. Here's an example. 2x plus 4 equals 10. First, subtract 4.
Welcome to English B4U. Today, we will listen to a simple and interesting story.
The story is called A Boy's First Day at School.
The alarm clock rings. It is 7 o'clock in the morning.
Tom opens his eyes. Today is a special day.
He brushes his teeth and looks at himself in the mirror.
His mother is making breakfast in the kitchen.
Tom eats pancakes and drinks milk.
Yummy.
He feels excited, but he also feels a little nervous.
Mom, I am scared. It's okay, sweetie. I'm right here.
You will be okay.
She gives him a warm hug.
The school bus arrives.
Bye, Mom.
Goodbye, sweetie. Have a good day.
I will.
See you later.
He gets on the bus slowly.
Look, cows. Cool, I see horses. No way, this is awesome. And a tractor. Best bus ride ever.
Tom feels shy.
Hi, I am Jake.
I feel better now.
The children walk inside. The bus stops at the school.
Tom enters his classroom.
Hey, everyone. The classroom is bright and clean. We keep it tidy and organized. The natural light makes it a great space to learn.
The teacher writes her name on the board.
Good morning, class.
Good morning.
Let us introduce ourselves.
One student stands up and speaks.
Now it is Tom's turn. Tom stands up slowly.
Ugh. My name is Tom. I like soccer and drawing.
The class claps for him. Thank you.
I feel proud.
All right, class, let's learn some words. A is for apple. B is for ball. Can you say that?
Tom writes carefully. He wants to do his best.
Tom, what is the square root of a negative number? I don't understand the question.
He raises his hand.
Yes, I'll answer.
Okay, Tom, let's look at this step by step. Okay, so I subtract 4 first?
Yes, exactly. That I
Okay,
said.
I think it.
Now Tom understands.
It is lunchtime.
Finally, I'm starving. What'll it be today?
The pizza, please.
Hey, Jake, mind if I sit? Of course, Tom. Please do. Thanks. Good to see you. You too. How have you been?
They eat sandwiches and fruit.
Oh, was so funny. Tell it again. Okay, so the chicken says,
Tom feels happy. I just love how everything feels right today. It's a really good day.
In art class, Tom paints a picture.
He draws his house and his family.
"Look, teacher."
Very good.
After class, the children go outside. Race you to the grass! You're it! Hey, no fair!
Tom plays soccer with Jake.
I'm open, pass it! Got it!
Watch this.
I'm catching up! Try and stop me!
The school bell rings.
Time to pack our bags.
I'll get the notebook.
Don't forget the pencil case.
Okay, all set.
I feel proud of myself. The bus takes him home.
I'm home, Mom!
How was your day?
It was great. I made a new friend.
It was great. Tom prepares for tomorrow. Tom is not scared anymore. He is ready for a new day.